Good afternoon, Jai Jalaram. Let us understand now how we are performing gram staining. First of all, we are having a non-greasy and clean glass slide, and we are putting the mark on the area where we are going to prepare a smear with the glass marking pen. After having this area, we will invert the slide, and now we are having wire loop in our hand. We are allowing the wire loop to get it sterilized. Once it is red hot, allow it to cool properly near the burner. Near the burner, this much area is sterilized. We will open the culture tube. Neck is sterilized. Wire loop is cooled, and we will put the wire loop into the culture, collecting the culture in the round area of the nichrome wire loop. Again, neck is sterilized, kept it properly, and now we will put a smear on the slide and spread it in the area which we have marked. After this, again we will sterilize the wire loop, and we will keep the wire loop in a proper manner. Allow the slide to cool, air dry, and then we will pass it through burner flame 3 to 4 times so that heat fixation is carried out. Now we will put the slide in the basin area where we can keep the staining reagents in the proper manner. The first staining reagent here is the gentian violet. We are putting gentian violet for 2 to 3 minutes. We are flooding the smear with gentian violet for 2 to 3 minutes, and after 2 to 3 minutes we will wash the slide, and gentian violet will, more amount of the gentian violet will, extra amount will go away. Now we will put grams iodine. This is working as a mordant. This grams iodine flooding of the smear will allow the gram positive cells to adhere with gentian violet properly. Again we will wash the slide in a proper manner, and after that we will do the step which is known as decolorization. In this decolorization step, we are having acetone alcohol, and we will flood the smear with this acetone alcohol until the purple color comes out like this. We will put droplets of acetone alcohol, and the purple color is coming out from the smear, and we are collecting it here. So the moment all the gram negative cells who will lose the color of gentian violet, in this manner purple color is collected at the cotton. Again we will squeeze it, and the gram negative cells became colorless. Finally we will flood the smear with the safranin, that is red in color, and allowing this safranin to be on the slide for 15 to 8 to 10 minutes, or sometimes 12 to 15 minutes. Allow the smear now to wash, air dry, and examine under oil immersion lens.